We're all learning, right? So I think it's some things we really see as common themes, just not being quite ready to automate. So really making sure you understand your release criteria, your product specifications, your process variability, and then aligning that with an automation process. It's not too late, so you have to do clinical studies, but not too early, so that you're still in flux in terms of what your dose might be or how many batches you plan to make. I think in the stem cell arena, there's lots of opportunity for stem cell companies to learn from the immunotherapy findings to date. I think as an industry we need to collaborate and really have that discussion around what does automation look like and what does that pathway to automation look like.